Hearing and auditory processing are the most impactful pieces of learning for any student. And so just having this tool available is going to make a world of difference.
It seems silly to tie a voice amplification system to learning, but truly if you can't hear instruction, then of course your achievement is going to decrease. And so by using the voice amplification system, we see a rise in student achievement.
It is just a great resource to help include all students and to make sure your voice is heard, whether that's my voice or the student's voice, and it just makes my job a little bit easier.
Students who are normally not very attentive are more attentive, a lot more attentive. Students who have any kind of hearing deficit, it's great for. So I saw a few kids who are normally very quiet kind of come out of their shell when we got the system participating because they were actually being heard. It makes the classroom more inclusive.
It supports both students' learning, but also teachers and their ability to communicate clearly to their students.
I appreciate that it gives my voice a rest. I can move around my classroom easier, my students can hear me easier. It's one less thing I have to worry about when I'm teaching.
It saves my voice quite a bit. Also, I'm able to move around the classroom freely without having to worry about being in front of everybody.
We want to make sure that we are training staff and giving them the support they need so that they can implement the system with fidelity, not just use it one day and not use it the next day. We really want to see the impact of using a system that will completely change the playing field for education.